You don't need the world's best gear to make great recordings. Bon Iver recorded an album in a cabin with a cheap mic and a laptop, and it launched one of the most emotional records of the 2000s. Because a great song is made of the right sounds that fit the mood and moment. And in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to approach recording so it actually feels easy and gets you better results. Pillar 1, performance and gear. Even the best mic on earth can't save a bad take. The performance is always more important than the gear. If it's lifeless, no plugin will fix it. If it moves you, it'll move others, even if it's a little noisy. Bon Iver didn't win awards because of his interface. He recorded something real. That's what counts. Pillar 2, strong recordings save you hours later. If you're doing surgical EQ, extreme timing edits, or trying to rescue a sound, you probably didn't capture it right. The same thing goes for software instruments and samples. Pick the right sound up front and your mix will almost build itself. Want to go one step further? Shape your sound on the way in with a bit of EQ or compression if your gear allows it. Just a touch can go a long way. Pillar 3, it's not about solo. Not every track has to sound perfect by itself. You're not building isolated masterpieces. You're building a song. If that weird guitar tone doesn't sound great in solo but feels amazing in context, keep it. That just might be the magic or glue you need. Play for the song, not for the solo button. Pillar 4, know your tools. You don't need to be an engineer, but knowing the basics go a long way. Mono recording, one mic, more focused. Stereo recording, two mics, wider soundstage. Condenser mics, sensitive, roomier, great for vocals. Dynamic mics, durable, tighter, great for guitars and drums. Knowing what to use and when can completely change your result. If you want to go deeper, click the link in the description to get a free Logic template where I walk you through building a radio-ready song from scratch. Or if you want to get started right away, you can watch this video here.